Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn and today we're walking through a 2024 Premier 230 Solaris. The Solaris is going to come with a lot of upgrades. First off being the JL audio. It's going to be upgraded over the Clarion that comes in the Sensation. You're going to have this nice accent panel around the seats. Instead of another cloth, it does give you an upgraded kind of woven vinyl to give you a little bit classier look. You'll still have the same cup holders and USB ports on both sides. Helm's going to be very nice on the new models. You'll have this little customization rack. You'll have paper towels and trash can holders. You'll also have the flip-up storage system on top of your helm. And on all Solaris models, instead of the analog gauges, you get standard a SIMRAD. So right now we do have the 9-inch SIMRAD on board with, again, that JL audio. This model is a 23-foot with a larger motor, so it has a 15-person capacity, but standard is these larger tall back chairs. The only option you have on these chairs is the optional bolster, which we have included. That just allows you to give some extra height when you're sitting on the helm seat if you want to look over some guests in front or just get a little bit more airflow. Above will be the oversized power bimini, so you're going to get a lot of sunshade on board. Both your port and your starboard captain's chairs will swivel backwards so you can be a part of your entertainment station. And back here you will have some built-in phone chargers, plenty of cup holders, a little glove box, and on all of them, if you grab right here in the middle, you have a 3-piece seat, forward, middle, or all the way down. That does go down on both sides. So back here in the back, when you put it all the way down, you have a very oversized sunbathing area back here. We do have this one with the safety gate and the larger. This one is going to have the 250 Mercury outboard. We'd love to show you this boat and get you on the water. So if you have any questions, my name is Quinn Seagraves and we'd love to help.